Hysteroscopy position. A hysteroscopy is a minimally invasive medical procedure used to diagnose or treat health conditions involving the uterus or cervix. A hysteroscopy may be needed for a variety of reasons, including evaluating abnormal uterine bleeding, AUB, pelvic pain or bloating, infertility or recurrent miscarriages. In addition, the hysteroscope can retrieve foreign objects such as contraceptive devices and remove polyps, fibroids, and other abnormal growths from the inner lining of the uterus endometrium. In preparation for the hysteroscopy, the patient will receive local anesthesia and be placed in the lithotomy position, with the legs flexed at a 90 degrees angle to the hips. Speculum insertion. A speculum is inserted into the vagina, a device that widens the vaginal canal and provides access to the cervix. Cervix dilation. The cervix is dilated, widened, through either medication or mechanical methods. Hysteroscope insertion and uterus distension. The hysteroscope is inserted into the vagina, through the cervix, and into the uterus. Gas or fluid is injected into the uterus through the hysteroscope, resulting in the distension of the uterus. Inflating the uterus improves visibility and accessibility for the hysteroscope. Diagnostic or therapeutic hysteroscopy. The hysteroscope conducts the necessary diagnostic or therapeutic procedures while inside the uterus. Tissue samples, abnormal growths, or foreign objects are removed from the body as needed.